Good day, everyone. So, are you someone who's searching for a group with similar interests and want to share information, provide motivation, and learn about ID printers? Well, if you are, finish this live stream. So, for our agenda today, first of all, story and reason, how the community build. And for the second one, importance and advantages of having a community. And for the third one, vision and vision of community. So I'm Chris. I was born in the Philippines and I have around 6 years of experience in the ID printers. So I have an experience troubleshooting and performing minor repairs for the brand of IP, Niska, and DNP machine. I just want to share an uh, bit of my journey to this industry. So in 2018, I was hired as an after sales specialist, uh, and my job there was to regularly check the printer every month that to ensure that we're running smoothly and assist client in ordering consumables and ribbons. I was also provide them with how to maximize their usage of their printers. Sometimes I would inquire also ID printers model to own neighbor companies. So the problem is during my time in this role, I noticed different suppliers had varying levels of after sales support. Sometimes our in-house technical team could assist me because they were only familiar with the specific brands which is we carry. Another challenge arose when my company was closed down during pandemic and leaving me without a support system or someone else to turn for the advice. So my solution is to that I realized that we need a community where could come together, share with ideas, problems, and I envision this group to where individuals with expertise and different ID printers brands could collaborate, learn from each other, and even buy and sell or to find suppliers. So that's the community came up to be. It's a place where like-minded professionals can connect, support each other, and thrive in order to ever evolving world of ID printers. So for this topic, the importance and advantages of having a community. So number one, access to guidance. Having a community means you have networks of peers turn for for advice and guidance. So, whether you're facing technical challenges or seeking recommendation for the best practices, having community ensures that you're never alone in navigating the complexities of our ID printer technology. So for the number two, sharing experiences. One of the greatest benefits of being part of a community is the opportunity to share experiences. By exchanging stories and insights, members can learn from each other's success and failures, gaining valuable knowledge that can help to improve their skills and overcome obstacles more efficiently. And for our number three, staying update on technology. So this one, I think it is important. The field of ID printer technology is constantly evolving. So I think we are agree with that. Being part of a community allows professionals to stay informed about the latest trend, developments, and innovations in the industry. This ensures that they remain competitive and capable of leveraging cutting-edge technology to enhance the work. So if you want, by the way, if you have questions or message, sure. So yun, hi Mina, thank you for the comment, for tagging everyone. So for the number four reason, finding legitimate suppliers. In an industry or specialized as ID printing, yun nga, yes, finding reliable suppliers can be challenged. However, being part of a community provides access to network of trusted professionals who can recommend legitimate suppliers and vendors. This is not only to, to saves time and effort, but also ensures that professionals are sourcing high quality equipments and materials for their projects, especially for ID printer machine. It's not a cheap item. And then for the last one, continuous learning. Finally, community serves as a hub for continuous learning and skill and development. Whether through workshop, trainings, session, or informal discussion, members have the opportunity to expand their base, acquire new skills, and stay abreast of industry best practices. This ongoing learning process is essential for professional growth and staying ahead in a rapidly changing field. So why I'm doing this? I believe that each of us have something valuable to contribute this community. And it's up to all of us. Direct selling and excessive self-promotion are strictly prohibited. And you may be asked to leave if you refuse to adhere to our rules. I won't charge you any amount for anything you share. Our real adversary here is, or our enemy here is the selfishness of some where everything become about selling. So I don't want happen to this group or to our community. So that's why I encourage you to post anything related to ID printers, whether it's an experience, tips, tutorials, anything that can help to our community. So for our mission and vision, I just want to remind us that for our vision is to be premier resource for individuals and organizations seeking guidance and information on card printing technology. We strive to create a support environment where members can learn from each other, stay current with the latest trends and innovations, and access variety of resources, tools, and trainings related to ID card printing. And for our mission is to unite individuals and organizations with a shared interest in ID card printing technology through collaboration, knowledge sharing, and advocacy. We aim to promote the use of ID card printers in diverse fields such as education, healthcare, and government, and business. Before I wrap up, I'd like to leave you with a quote from Helen Keller, if you're familiar with her. Alone we can do little. Together we can do so much. So that's all for our live video today. So expect there will be scheduled. I will announce it to the community. So that's all. If you have questions, suggestion, just comment down below, and I will do my best to uh, comment to the comment to your concern. So that's all. Thank you and good day, everyone.